Welcome to this course on Salesforce Apex Programming. In this course, you will learn how to use the Apex programming language to build custom applications on the Salesforce platform. Salesforce is a customer relationship management (CRM) platform that provides businesses with a range of tools for managing customer interactions and data. Apex is the programming language that is used to build custom applications on the Salesforce platform. With Apex, you can automate business processes, validate data, and perform complex calculations. Before we begin, it's important to note that Apex is a strongly typed, object-oriented programming language. This means that you must specify the data type of a variable when you declare it, and you can create custom objects and classes in Apex. Setting up a development environment. Before you can start writing Apex code, you need to set up a development environment. To do this, you will need to sign up for a Salesforce developer account and install the Salesforce CLI. To sign up for a developer account, go to the Salesforce website and click on the Get a Developer Edition button. Fill out the form and follow the instructions to create your account. Once you have a developer account, you can install the Salesforce CLI by following the instructions on the Salesforce developer website. The Salesforce CLI is a command line interface that allows you to interact with the Salesforce platform and deploy your code. Apex syntax and concepts. Now that you have a development environment set up, let's take a look at the basic syntax and concepts of Apex. Apex is a case-insensitive language, which means that you can use upper or lowercase letters in your code and it will still be valid. However, it is generally accepted that Apex code should follow the camel case convention, where the first letter of each word is capitalized except for the first word. For example, the following variables are all valid in Apex. In Apex, you can declare variables using the following syntax. For example, to declare an integer variable, you would use the following code. Apex supports the following primitive data types. Integer, 32-bit signed whole number. Long, 64-bit signed whole number. Decimal, floating point number with up to 18 decimal places. Double, floating point number with up to 15 decimal places. Boolean, true or false value. String, sequence of characters. In addition to primitive data types, Apex also supports custom objects and classes. You can create a custom object by defining a class in Apex. For example, to create a custom object called account with two fields, name and industry, you would use the following code. You can then create an instance of the account object using the following syntax. You can access the fields of an object using the dot notation. For example, to access the name field of the myAccount object, you would use the following code. You can also use the dot notation to set the value of an object field. For example, to set the industry field of the myAccount object to technology, you would use the following code. Okay everyone, that's it for today's lecture on control structures. In the next video, we will continue our discussion on this topic by covering control structure concept in Apex. See you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.